Hello, not going to keep you long today. Really simple salad, but really delicious and slightly unusual. We've got beetroots and potatoes, but we've got walnuts in there. We've got dates in there, olive oil, a few other little bits and pieces. Really, really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what we're going to need for this is roughly 3 cups of beets and 3 cups of potatoes. You can see I've cut them roughly the same size, and I've boiled them and cooked them. You know, they're fairly sort of soft. Yeah. Half a cup of onion using white, half a cup of mince, half a cup of tomato, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, avocado oil also really nice in this one, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and then maybe 2 tablespoons of walnuts, which I've broken, and about the same of dates, taken the stone out and just chopped them up. Really delicious. So you can see our cooked potatoes and our cooked beets are in the bowl. Let's get the fresh mint in there. Mint is delicious, I think, in this one, but if you want, put something else in. The white onion, the tomato, about half a cup each. I mean, again, adjust it how you want. The walnuts, the dates, like I said, I've just sort of chopped them into pieces, and they really do add a brilliant texture and flavour to this. And then about a tablespoon of lemon juice. If you wanted, use vinegar or something like that. And then about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Salt, black pepper. And then I'm going to hit it with a little bit of cayenne pepper. And then we're simply going to give that a mix. And there you have it. Really, really delicious that is. Got, just fantastic flavours in there, booming flavours. I love it. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.